So before we unpack, we thought we'd show you the room because otherwise I'm going to make a mess. You know we are. Hi, welcome back in the room. So it is really nice and quite spacious in here, to be fair. Obviously I know it's just like the one room with the bathroom, but we've got a really nice big king size bed. There's loads of charging ports around, whether it's just plugs on the side or little ones kind of like, so you can see it, but like in the desk here as well next to the bed. So they do both USB and you plug sockets to charge. You can get a little alarm clock, which I think is handy. Nice size TV. They leave it switched on for you on obviously Universal themed channel to welcome you in. Please excuse all our stuff from the park that we've just put down there. But yeah, you get quite a few drawers. I'm assuming, I was going to say one of these is a fridge, isn't it? Let's have a look.
Coffee as well?
Yeah, tea, coffee, amenities in here, which is nice. Although it's so warm, I don't know if we'll be having coffee. Little kind of mini fridge cooler. There's actually nothing in it, but they did say if you want anything, you can text the number they send you a message on and they'll bring you room service, but you do have to leave a card. We did leave a card because we were parking the car with it, but I don't think we'll be using the room service. Nice little desk, so if you are, you know, have any work to do, any editing, anything like that, you can just sit and chill. Or even if you had like somebody else with you, you know, it's kids can sit and colour or anything like that. Another mirror. Then outside we've got a pool view room. We didn't book it specifically, we did just book a standard room because we were booking the room for the tickets. We just thought we'll get a regular room, saving best cost. But yeah, we've actually got quite an alright view. Nice little sofa.
Assuming that turned into a sofa bed as well.
I would have thought that would turn into another bed. So if you had like, say if we had like our Alfie staying with us, he, you know, you could do that. You can book rooms for the same price with 2 queen beds instead of a king size, but with it just being us two, thought one king would be good.
Beds.
Is that because he gets sweaty at night? He's just turned the aircon. He's walked into the room. It wasn't like warm. 66. Made it nice and cold already, haven't you? To be fair, it is hot at the parks today. So it's, what time is it now?
It is 20 to 2.
20 to 2, which, to be fair, they say check-in isn't till 4, but our room was ready about 1:15. Yeah. So if, you know, if you ask, they will help you out if they can. Into the bathroom. Love this full length mirror. I'll be definitely using this getting ready. And you get another mirror here above the sink. Nice fresh towels. Let me find the lights now. I always press everything, I can never remember which is which. There we go. Light for the bathroom. Bathroom looks really nice, to be fair. Toilet, shower, bath. So it looks, everywhere's clean, everywhere smells fresh. That's what you need.
You've got a hairdryer down there as well, which...
Oh yeah, good point, hairdryer. One thing I never bring to Florida anymore is a hairdryer. I don't know if any of you have a better solution than I do for this, but every time I bring a hairdryer from home, it's just never powerful enough. So I stopped bringing one now, and I always use the ones that they provide in the hotel or the villa, which fair enough aren't as good as the ones you have at home, but they are more powerful than bringing your own. Please tell me if you know, if I'm doing something wrong, because I need some help with that. Then you've got your phone, I assume, for room service. More little plugs and stuff down there. But yeah, looks nice and comfy.